When someone mentions travel trailers, odds are Keystone is going to get named. After all, Keystone's been making travel trailers for over a quarter of a century. Their expertise in creating dynamic RVs certainly extends to their Hideout line of single and double axle conventional travel trailers. Now, I'll go through a few floor plans, but right now, let's check out some of those pretty awesome Keystone Hideout features. Regardless if your hideout of choice is a single or double axle, you're pretty much going to get a lot. Naturally, double axles being bigger will have a few more features. But for now, let's focus on what any hideout has to offer. Inside, you'll find a gleaming decor making everything bright in the galley and living area. The kitchen has a ton to offer, including a flush mount multi-burner range with glass cover and a seamless countertop that holds a stainless steel sink with high-rise faucet. The sink also comes with a split sink cover with cutting board and drying rack. To heat the water, every hideout now comes with the Girard tankless water heater, which can get you that hot water pretty quick. Naturally, every hideout comes with a fridge. Due to model differences, each model will have a fridge size best fitting their layout. For food storage, most will have a great full-length pantry. In a hideout bathroom, you'll find the faucet to be black to create a contrast with the rest of the bathroom. Love that bright white decor. Plus, a very handy medicine cabinet will be right over the sink. Every bathroom will also have an upgraded shower rod and curtain. Most will have a skylight right there in the shower. Now, as far as the bedroom area, you'll get bedside outlets, TV hookups, and some queen and king beds will have bed struts for the underbed storage. Before I get into the double axle specific features, I want to talk about staying cool. You're going to get an AC with most models having a 13,500 BTU AC, ducted when necessary, and some of the double axle models getting a 15,000 BTU ducted AC. For double axle hideout mount models, the living area will boast many camp-friendly assets. Since I just talked about cool, what do you say we talk about heat? Double axle hideouts come with in-floor heating ducts so your toes will stay nice and toasty on the crispiest spring and fall mornings. For furniture, you'll get a jackknife sofa with flip-down arms and cup holders, finally, with a trifold sofa option. All models get a booth dinette, some have a U-shaped dinette, and some will have a freestanding dinette option. For the dinette, most booth dinettes have cabinet doors built right into them. Those drawers fully extend just above the linoleum floor. By the way, the slide-out floors are also linoleum, which means, yep, no more carpet in a hideout. Now, is no carpet a good thing? Well, if you camp with kids and or dogs, the answer is going to be yes. Cleaning is a bit easier too with the central vac, which is a significant feature on some of the models. Other interior features you'll find on select double axle hideouts: an electric fireplace. Most slide models will have them. Very nice for a little warmth and ambiance as well. Also, depending on the model, the one-piece pressed countertops will come with undermount ambient lighting. Goes really well when you pop on the ambient lighting, pull down the pleated blackout night shades, and then click on that electric fireplace. Yep, you're headed to snooze town. And one more thing before I talk entertainment. Large models, like the Hideout Destination trailers, may also come with washer-dryer prep. So, let's check out your Hideout entertainment. Every hideout has 4G LTE and Wi-Fi prep, speakers, and USB charging stations. Some even come with an LED HD TV, and all come with exterior speakers. Exterior? What do you say we go ahead and check that out? Since I'm already talking about entertainment, and you got to keep the juice going, right? Right. You can harness the power of the sun with Keystone's exclusive Solar Flex 200 that's even upgradable. If you want more power, what do you say we talk about it? The majority of hideout models will have a power tongue jack as well as electric stabilizer jacks. You can relax outside under the power awning, sitting in your chosen camp chairs that you can easily access via the lighted pass-through storage. Anybody want any flapjacks? Quite a few hideout models do have their own exterior kitchen which is always under or near the awning. But all of them will have the LP Quick Connect plus a sidewall mounted Suburban griddle. Really opens up lunch and breakfast. A few more nice features found on the exterior of a hideout: backup and side camera prep. Install both and you'll be backing up without any issues. Your hideout will also be prepped for a ladder as well as TPMS. TPMS being Tire Pressure Management System. And finally, there's getting into the hideout. It's pretty simple. Just use the LCI solid step system found on nearly every hideout. Before I highlight some of the select floor plans, let's take a moment and talk a little bit about construction. Hideouts are pretty and well built. The undercarriage is an I-beam frame with stamped metal cross members and outriggers. The overcarriage, aka the roof, has an Alpha Superflex roof membrane, and most are walkable. Hideouts also have the Keystone exclusive goodies such as color-coded unified wiring for simple electrical fixes, tough-lock thermoplastic duct joiners that won't rust for those units with ducted AC, true fit slide construction for a solid seal for those with the slide outs, and most have a one-piece enclosed underbelly to keep the elements out and the critters. Hideouts come in such a wide range, I'm only going to highlight a few single axle models first, then roll over to the double axles. As far as the single axles, you'll find they are all around 22 feet in length and average around 3,800 pounds in unloaded weight.
The 174RK is ready for the camping couple. You'll get an impressively large kitchen countertop, the versatile Murphy bed system, and a booth dinette.
The 176BH is an efficient bunkhouse with a booth dinette and stacked twin bunks. You'll be able to sleep 5 in comfort in that beauty. The 186SS is a couple's travel trailer with an impressively large slide out, full-length pantry, and jackknife sofa. The 186SS can sleep up to 4. Now I want to check out some of the double axle hideout floor plans. Aside from the hideout destination travel trailers, which, to put it mildly, weigh a lot, the rest of the double axle lineup are going to run from 25 feet to 40 feet and about 4,500 pounds up to 8,000 pounds. As always, you can go to campingworld.com, put in your vehicle to find out the towing capacity if you don't know it off the top of your head. Now let's check out a couple built for, well, a couple. The 22 MLS shares its rear wall with the kitchen and bathroom. There's a large slide out making plenty of walk-around space up front. You'll find a walk-around queen bed with a privacy curtain there as well. The 22 MLS can sleep up to 4. The 28 RKS is a great rear kitchen model with a J-shaped kitchen providing a ton of counter space. You'll get a pair of recliners facing the large slide out, a fireplace, and a solid privacy door for the bedroom. The 28 RKS can sleep up to 4. And oh look, there's also that outside kitchen. There are a lot of hideout family-friendly bunkhouse models. The 26 BHS has oversized stacked double bunks, a large living area slide out, and a bedroom made private via solid sliding doors. You'll get a full-length pantry, and the bathroom has direct access from the exterior. The 26 BHS can easily sleep up to 8. The 29 QBS has a private bunk room with a pair of twin stacked bunks. The living area includes a large slide out, big pantry, and sizable kitchen. The 29 QBS is capable of handling 8 snoozy snoozers. The 31 BRD has a private bunk room so big it's like its own apartment. A slide expands the bunk room and another dramatically opens up the living area. You'll find the 31 BRD also has direct access to the bathroom from the exterior as well as a sweet outdoor kitchen. And the 31 BRD can easily make room for 10 happy campers. Hideout has some destination models, and the 38 FKTS is a beast. It's got a front kitchen layout with a mid bunk room. The front sports a large slide out, tons of kitchen area, and a cozy recliner to sit in front of the fireplace. The master bedroom has its bed in a slide out, and there's another slide out in the bunk room. Overall, the 38 FKTS can sleep at least 7. Keystone has made their Hideout line one of the most comprehensive lines of conventional travel trailers on the market today. With their wide diversity of floor plans, I'm pretty confident that you'll be able to find the right hideout for you and your camp-loving family. To find the hideout nearest you, head on over to rv.campingworld.com. And as always, happy camping.